sir.
And you don't need a Narcan, buddy.
No, yeah, his pupils are the size of a needle.
I can wake him up.
No, we'll take care of it, sir. Thank you.
On June 7th, 2024, at approximately 9:14 p.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police conducted a traffic stop as part of a narcotics investigation. During the traffic stop, the front seat passenger overdosed and was revived with the use of Narcan. There is also a 16-year-old female in the vehicle. The Public Records Office muted the audio every time she speaks. I edited most of that out of the video, but there are still some muted sections that I had to leave in.
How you doing? Officer Fenton, Columbus Police. When I stopped you, you have yet to use the turn signal.
I did use the turn signal.
Well, that's fantastic. We can argue about it later. You didn't signal when you got over to the lane. You didn't signal when you turned on the central. You have your ID on there, sir? Is there another car available? Alright, sir. I'm going to have you step on out of the vehicle.
Alright.
You got no weapons or anything on
No.
you? Mind if I pat you down?
No.
So you face away from me.
I'm the rest of them.
No, you're not on the wrist. I'll have you put your phone out so it doesn't break. Right. And then you're going to grab it right back. Alright, so you can grab your phone. I'm going to stand on over here by the sidewalk.
If this motherfucker's got anything in this car, I'm breaking this place.
Does he need a medic?
He does not have nothing.
Does he use?
Sir.
Just be honest. We just need to know whether we need to get a medic.
But I need you to hang up and call her. You tell her. I told her.
I'm just going to call it 24.
You tell her that.
I also get a 24.
I'm sitting right here.
Mr. Roy!
You got the glove box.
Roy!
I'm taking the car. And like I told her now, she's not getting this car back. She shouldn't get beat up.
That's the bag you kept passing.
Yeah, she reached back and was doing something behind her back. You have Narcan?
Yeah, it's still in my name. If it's something in there, I'm breaking his face.
Alright.
He's unconscious, so...
Here, can I get him?
We've got Narcan probably, sir.
You don't need a Narcan, buddy.
No, yeah, his pupils are the size of a needle.
I can wake him up.
No, we'll take care of it, sir. Thank you.
Hello? His mom's on her way.
Okay.
Listen, this is crazy as fuck. Every time I turn around, I'm involved in some bullshit.
Is he getting Narcan out of his car?
I'm just going to give it to him because
Take
he's
to the
just
dark
woken
every day.
up.
They just gave him a shot of something.
Night 2, Narcan has been administered to the front seat passenger out of this. Now,
Roy! You good?
had something. I don't know.
He had something.
I ain't been around it.
No, I haven't had a chance. Oh, he did nothing. He just
I think we'll run the dog regardless.
I need his mom to get him.
So that way, if he tries to,
I don't. That's fine. I don't care. Yeah. You just want to stop, Nathan.
I'm good. I stopped.
I mean, the wind's coming out of the west, so the dog's not going to be in the roadway anyhow.
I'll talk to you later.
You awake now? You awake now? Yeah. You got any weapons on you? No. Nothing that's gonna hurt a medic?
His nose is bleeding now. We gave you Narcan. What'd you take?
It wasn't a Narcan. I've been I was like up for a while. And stuff like that.
no, you don't go like unconscious like that.
No, I wasn't unconscious.
Yeah, you were.
I hurt the medics.
No. I'm totally
You need to be
fine.
honest with the medics.
I know.
This Narcan's what just woke you up.
Because being tired does not make your pupils go like needles.
Okay. I don't have nothing.
Bring your feet together.
We gave him one thing in Narcan.
Perfect. What is this? Money? My checklist? No.
You're just checking it.
Yeah. Anything in here?
Hello? Hello?
He claims he was sleeping.
What's going on?
His pupils were freaking.
Well, it's bright out. I mean, it's night out.
Yeah.
Where's his cleats?
This car?
Tell against the wall, drive barefoot.
Scares mom.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
Bring James out here.
Yeah.
James is passed out.
Yeah, I can go home
Okay.
with you.
I don't know what was going on. I got a phone call to
Yeah,
come
go home
get
with
the
you.
car.
You want me to go to the
So
medical?
I come to get the car.
You guys want to check it here?
You gonna hang out here for just
If I give him the shoes,
We'll get him, sir. We'll get him.
her mom's on her way to come get her.
But you guys are fucked up.
Man, I'm sorry about all this crap.
Alright, if you just wanna grab
What's that?
you wanna grab the dog.
Seems excited. Not a dog handler.
Dang. I swear if nothing better not be in that car, bro.
We haven't had nothing.
You see what they doing to me? That's because that dog hit that car.
There's always just a car because
You see what they doing to me?
it ain't my car, it's my mom's car.
They better not be nothing in there.
There isn't nothing in there, mine. You know, it's my mom's car, right?
James, better not be nothing in that car.
If there is, ask
Here.
my mom.
Are you his mom?
Yes, I'm James's mom, Roy. Yes,
He snorted something.
that's
but
some
we
bullshit.
We had to use some Narcan.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he needs to go to jail. He needs to go to
We're
jail.
looking to see if he has anything.
He needs to go to jail.
Does he have a drug problem?
I mean, who don't around here?
I don't.
I mean, you're a police. But who around here don't? You know what I mean?
There's some people that don't, man.
I know you're
Does he
right.
live with you?
I mean, he stays with me, but I mean, we bounce around a little bit.
Okay.
You know,
But he does.
we was living right here in this house right here. But
What do you know what he uses? Because he's saying he didn't take anything. He said he's sleepy, but
he might be sleepy.
Yeah, but your pupils don't constrict like his.
But
do.
when I got back, he wasn't there. So I've been trying to call him and he didn't answer. So I don't know because I wasn't with him.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't say. But
Is this his girlfriend?
yes.
She got a problem too, because she's all like wiggly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who knows then?
Okay.
You know what I mean? Honestly,
I don't know.
he may have done some fatty or taken the Xanax or something. I don't know.
Okay.
But
Well, they've been doing something in the car because we ran a canine around and the dog really liked the car.
He did?
So there's definitely narcotic odor in the car.
And there might be an odor, but there.
Right. The dog just says there's odor.
Yeah, yeah. Shut the fuck up. Shut up.
Like I said, just figure out what we're doing. But did you walk down here or drive?
I walked.
Okay. How old is he? Is he an adult?
He's 32.
Oh. So he's old enough to know better.
He is.
All right, just give us a few minutes.
Okay,
All right. Thank you for coming down. Sorry.
There's like a baggie with just residue in it, but it's not even. There's not even. It's just white powder residue.
I've already gone through that.
Was that Troy boy?
This girl's not even an adult. She's.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He's 32.
I know. That's boyfriend, girlfriend.
Speaking out.
Are you saying that's wrong?
I'm saying.
We are on the west side, buddy.
So there was something in here. What was it taken out?
No, it's still. I put it back in there. There was a underneath the piece of paper. There was like a baggie with powder.
Oh.
Where's those tweezers? Want to pull it out?
There was a piece of oil on the bottom too that I did not get out. You see it?
Yeah, there's not going to be. It looks like it's just burnt.
You know what?
Those flashlights for equipment.
There's like a plastic bag on the front passenger seat with like maybe a cracked pipe.
Yeah, I put
Oh, okay.
that's my stash so far. Anything else in this bag, Nance?
No, not that I saw. That all toys came with it.
What size are those shoes?
Which one are you interested in? These?
It's a size 10, I'll be alright.
I think so.
Come over here. Alright, sir, so just be excited for the failed signal. You have a court date if you choose to contest the citation on 6/14/24, 10 a.m. courtroom 1A. If you choose to contest the citation. If you choose not to contest the citation, the back of your pink copy is going to be a 614-645 number. Call that number prior to your court date to find out, or if you want to exchange your court date. See if they're willing to work with you. As well as how to mail in proof of insurance so you don't become a suspended license.
I already took my insurance in. I just took it in. They got a copy of it.
Okay. Here's your copy, sir. You're free to leave. What?
You got it right.
Is that his driver's license? Go! Let's go!
Go!